In this reaction, we have to identify a reactant A which on reacting with KCN form this cyanohydrin. To form this cyanohydrin, we require acetaldehyde, because acetaldehyde on reaction with KCN followed by acidic water will give this cyanohydrin. So A must be acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with benzaldehyde in presence of base OH negative. So there is possibility of intramolecular aldol condensation in which CH3CHO act as nucleophile. So in basic medium, CH3CHO will be converted to nucleophile as CH2 negative CHO. Due to presence of alpha hydrogen, it is acidic in nature, and after removal of H positive ion, it will give this nucleophile. Now this nucleophile will attack at carbonyl carbon, and a nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. After the nucleophilic reaction, we get PH, CH, OH, CH2, CHO. Now this molecule is beta hydroxycarbonyl compound, and beta hydroxycarbonyl compound on heating in presence of base remove water molecule via even CB mechanism. So PH, CH, double bond CH, CH double bond O is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B, a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is formed. In this question, we have to find what is product form when acetaldehyde is treated with sodium hydrogen sulfide NaHSO3. Now acetaldehyde CH3COH act as electrophile. It is having polar pi bond, and due to presence of polar pi bond, now it will act as electrophile. If we draw a structure of NHSO3, now this molecule is double bond O, OH, O negative, Na positive. Now this molecule is having lone pair on sulfur atom. So now this sulfur act as nucleophile and donate pair of electron to carbon. Simultaneously, carbon oxygen bond electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So after donating pair of electron, it will be converted to CH3, C, O negative, H, and S double bond O, OH, O negative, and A positive. Now sulfur has donated its pair of electron, so it will get positive charge. Now these electrons are shifted towards sulfur, so pi bond is formed between them, and CH3, C, O negative, H, SO, 3, H, and A positive is formed. Now sulfonic acid is having H positive ion. Sulfonic acid act as a strong acid and O negative as a strong base. So hydrogen is transferred between these two atoms. So finally we get CH3, C, OH, H, and SO3, Na. Now this is salt formed, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following reactant on reacting with hydrazine give so geometrical isomerism. Now any carbonyl compound on reacting with hydrazine in slightly acidic medium will eliminate water molecule, and after removal of water molecule it will be converted to C double bond N NH2. Now this molecule is having lone pair on nitrogen, so these NH2 and lone pair are different, and if groups attached with this sp2 carbon are different, then this molecule will show GI. Now in fourth case, when one group attached is CH3 and one is 1 2 3 propyl group, C3H7 is attached, on reacting with hydrogen molecule, now water molecule is eliminated, and after removal of water molecule this will be converted to C double bond N lone pair NH2, CH3 is present at its side, and 1 2 3 carbon containing group CH2 CH2 and CH3 is present. Now these two are different, so this molecule will show GI, and hence correct answer is D. While in other options these two are identical, so if A and B are not equal, only then molecule will show GI. In third case these two are identical, so this molecule will not show GI. In second case there is no difference in left group and right group, so this will also not show GI. In first group, first molecule, these two groups are identical, so this will also not show GI, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify the name of product which is formed when fuel is treated with ethanol. Now carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone, on reacting with alcohol on slightly acidic medium, now alcohol act as nucleophile, and initially it will be converted to molecule in which OH and OR both are attached on same carbon. Now this molecule is called hemiacetal. Now this hemiacetal, on further reacting with alcohol in acidic medium, will finally converted to acetal. So in this question we have furfural which have aldehyde group. Now this molecule or reacting with alcohol in slightly acidic medium will be converted to hemiacetal. Now this CH OH OC2H5 is formed, in which hemiacetal linkage is present. Now this molecule is called furfural, so correct answer is D. In this question we have to find cyanohydrin of which compound on hydrolysis give lactic acid. So when acetaldehyde molecule is treated with HCN along with a small amount of KCN or in small amount of base, now K positive and Cn negative are present. Now this Cn negative act as nucleophile, so it will be converted to cyanohydrin CO negative CnH. Now this molecule will react with HCN, HCN will donate H positive ion and new Cn negative ion is released. Now it is converted to CH3 COH HCN. Now this molecule is called cyanohydrin. Now cyanohydrin on further hydrolysis in acidic medium will form CH3 COH COOH and H. Now this molecule is called lactic acid. So lactic acid is formed when acetaldehyde is reacted with cyanohydrin and then compound is hydrolyzed, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following compound does not react with NaHSO3. So all aldehyde are less crowded because at one side hydrogen is present. So all aldehyde will react with NHSO3 to form salt which is insoluble in aldehyde and ketone. So all aldehyde will react. Now all the ketone which are methyl ketone having one methyl group will react with NHSO3 to form insoluble salt in carbonyl compound. It will also react to form insoluble salt. In methyl ketone, benzophenone will not react with NHSO3 because this molecule is stabilized, very less reactive, so it will not react with NHSO3 although it is methyl ketone. So all the aldehyde and all the methyl ketone except acetophenone will react with NHSO3. Now first molecule is aldehyde, so it will react with NHSO3. Second molecule is also aldehyde, so it will also react. Now third molecule is methyl ketone having CH3Cu group, so this will also react. But fourth molecule is not having methyl ketone, not having any methyl, and in this case carbonyl group is very crowded and hence it will have very low reactivity and it will not react with NHSO3, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find correct order of reactivity of these compound towards Grignard reagent PHMGBr. Now reaction of carbonyl compound depend on two factor with any nucleophile. Now rate of reaction depend on crowding on carbonyl carbon and positive charge on carbonyl carbon. Nucleophile will react faster if magnitude of positive charge is high on carbonyl carbon, so nucleophile can easily attack. And other factor is crowding. If carbonyl carbon is crowded, the nucleophile cannot attack easily. So rate of reaction depend on two factors. One is steric crowding and one is electronic factor, in which positive charge must be high on carbonyl carbon. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to positive charge on carbonyl carbon, and next factor is crowding. With increasing crowding, rate of reaction decreases, so inversely proportional to crowding. Now comparing these molecule, aldehyde is always less crowded, so aldehyde is most reactive, so acetaldehyde is most reactive. Now acetone and benzophenone both are carbonyl compound, both are ketone, but positive charge of carbonyl carbon in acetone is only stabilized, only decreased by plus I effect of CH3. But in case of benzophenone, positive charge present on carbonyl carbon is stabilized by resonance of benzene ring. So acetaldehyde will be most reactive, then acetophenone and benzophenone will be least reactive, and hence correct sequence is 2, 3 and 1, and hence option B is correct. In this question we have to find when smallest ketone and its next homologue are reacted with NH2OH hydroxylamine to form. So CH3COCH3 acetone is smallest ketone. On reacting with NH2OH in pH 4.5 to 6, and further on heating, it will form oxime. Now this oxime will not show Gi because these two CH3 are identical. So only one product is formed from this reaction. Now if its next higher homologue is taken, now its higher homologue is 2-butanone, and 2-butanone on reacting with hydroxylamine under acidic medium will form oxime. Now this oxime will show geometrical isomerism. So two will be formed as a product. One is this and other is when CH3 and OH are present in opposite direction. So these two oximes are formed. So total 3 different products are formed, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find incorrect statement about the given compound. So now molecule given is acetaldehyde, which is having polar pi bond. Now this carbon oxygen bond is polar pi bond, and this molecule is treated with KCN and after then hydrolysis done. Now KCN is having K positive, CN negative. Now this CN negative will act as nucleophile, and simultaneously carbon oxygen bond will be shifted towards oxygen. So CH3 C O negative H CN is formed. On reacting with water, it will further convert it to OH CN NH. So cyanohydrin is formed as a final product. Now in this reaction, overall addition of H and Cn is takes place. So this reaction is addition reaction. Now first step is slow and arduous, and nucleophile is involved in slowest and arduous step. So this is nucleophilic addition reaction. So statement 1 is correct. Now in this reaction, reactant is not having any chiral carbon while product is having one chiral carbon. So pair of enantiomer will be formed in equal quantity. So RS mixture or DL mixture is formed. So solution will be racemic mixture in which 50% R and 50% S are present, and hence option B is also correct. Now third option, hydrolysis of product give hydroxy acid. Yes, if this acid is further hydrolyzed, now CH3COH is retained and cyanide will be hydrolyzed to acid. So alpha hydroxy acid is formed as a product. So this statement is also correct. But fourth statement is not correct. This is nucleophilic addition reaction rather than electrophilic addition reaction, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find intermediate of the given reaction. Now CH3CHO acetaldehyde is given as a reactant. Now medium of reaction is acidic, and along with water or deuterated water is taken. Now under acidic medium, carbonyl groups get protonated first, and it will be converted to CH3C double bond O D positive. Now this oxygen is 16. This is oxygen 16, and D2O is having oxygen 18. This now D2O is comparatively weak nucleophile, but it can easily attack on carbonyl group when a strongly acidic medium is present, because under acidic condition electrophilicity of carbonyl group is increased, because these polar pi bond have natural tendency to shift towards oxygen to neutralize positive charge of oxygen. So now this D2O will act as nucleophile and donate pair of electron to carbon. Now the electrons will be shifted towards oxygen. Now this is oxygen 16 and D2O is having oxygen 18. So OD, H and O, D2 positive is formed. Now oxygen is having positive charge. To release its positive charge, it will release D positive ion, and after removal of D positive ion, it will be converted to CH3C, OD, OD, H. Now this is oxygen 16 and this is oxygen 18, this is oxygen 16 and this is oxygen 18. Finally, water D2O molecule will be removed and it will finally converted to C3 double bond O 18H. So this is the final product which is formed through this intermediate and hence correct answer is B. This reaction is example of hemiacetal and acetal formation. Whenever carbonyl compound is treated with polyhydric alcohol, now in presence of polyhydric alcohol, there is possibility of intramolecular reaction, and after intramolecular reaction, it will be converted to hemiacetal, and hemiacetal will finally converted to acetal. So this is the product which form during the reaction. Now this molecule is having 2 OH group. Now after reacting this molecule with benzaldehyde, it will finally converted to CH2 O CH PH C O CH3 H O, and rest molecule will be as such H OCH3 CH2 OH. So during hemiacetal formation, 5 and 6 membered rings are preferred. So in this case 5 membered product is formed and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find the final product of the following given reaction. Now this molecule is having 2 carbonyl group, and carbonyl compound on reaction with amine will form imine under acidic medium. So mechanism of this reaction, carbonyl group act as electrophile having partial negative charge on oxygen and partial positive charge on carbon. Now this nitrogen will act as nucleophile and donate pair of electron to carbon. Simultaneously carbon oxygen bond electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So after relieving H positive, it will convert it to OH and NH. Now this nitrogen having higher nucleophilicity will again act as nucleophile and electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So a diol is formed. Now this molecule on heating will eliminate hydrogen from its beta position. So OH and H water molecule is released and unsaturated compound is formed, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find product of the following sequence of reaction. Now this molecule is having carbonyl group which is having partial positive and negative charge. Now Cn negative act as nucleophile. So nucleophile will attack at carbonyl carbon. Simultaneously carbon oxygen polar bonds are shifted towards oxygen. So O negative and Cn is formed. When this molecule is treated with H positive ion, now all of the molecule will be unaffected except that O negative will donate pair of electron to hydrogen and it will get neutralized and there is formation of cyanohydrin. Now this cyanohydrin on further treating with acidic water, now cyanide group will hydrolyze to form carboxylic acid. Now this molecule is having 2 OH group and 1 COOH group. On heating, acid and alcohol will react to form ester. But if this OH and COOH react, then there is formation of possibility of formation of three-membered ring, which is unstable. While when this OH combine with COOH, now there is possibility of formation of five-membered ring, and 5 and 6 membered rings are comparatively stable. So now this OH will act as nucleophile and esterification reaction takes place, due to which cyclic ester is formed, 5-membered cyclic ester is formed, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find number of stereoisomer product formed in the reaction. Now Grignard reagent will act as nucleophile because presence of carbon magnesium bond. Magnesium is having partial positive charge and carbon is having partial positive charge. So Grignard reagent will act as nucleophile, and this carbonyl compound is having polar pi bond, so it will act as electrophile. These two compounds are optically active pure compound. So let the configuration of this molecule is having R on chiral carbon, and this molecule is also having configuration R. So when this nucleophile attack on the carbonyl group, so now this molecule is new molecule is generated. Now this molecule is having total 3 chiral carbon. So there is possibility of two product. One is this, and in other molecule this OH may be present in front or OH may be present in back. So at this carbon there is possibility of formation of both R and S. So products form in the reaction if this carbon is having R configuration, this is also having R, and this is R. So R, all the chiral are having R configuration. Here another possibility that OH is away from observer and then it will have S configuration. So another product form is RSR. So pair of diastereomers are formed, and hence total two products are formed, RRR and RSR, which is its diastereomer, and hence correct answer is 2. In this question we have to find final product of the reaction. Now when carbonyl compound react with alcohol, they form hemiacetal and acetal, or if they react with ketone, they form hemiketal and ketal. Now this molecule is having dihydroxy group, 2 OH are present. Now this is the molecule. On reacting with acidic medium, water molecule is eliminated. First hemiacetal is formed, hemiketal is formed, and finally there is formation of ketal. So after removal of water molecule, it will convert it to this molecule. So correct answer is A. This is the final product formed during the reaction. In this question, carbonyl compound is treated with hydrazine. Now benzaldehyde is taken and it is treated with hydrazine in slightly acidic medium. Now this nitrogen will act as nucleophile. Carbonyl group is protonated first. Carbonyl group under acidic condition will be protonated. So electrophilicity of carbonyl group will increase. Now this is electrophile. Hydrazine will act as nucleophile, donate pair of electron to carbon. Simultaneously electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So pH, H, OH, NH, NH2 is formed. Now this molecule is having both OH and NH2 on same carbon, so it will release water molecule and it will convert it to C double bond N, NH2 lone pair, H and pH. Now this molecule formed is called phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is D. Phenyl hydrazone is the product.